Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TCL TAB 10L to an Android device. Firstly, you need to access Play Store on both of them and install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, open it. In order to continue, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. Now I just need to rotate my TCL real quick. And then select Send. Now select Receive on an Android and following that click on all of those dots on your TCL device. Then just Send over here. This way you will be able to select all of your files that you wish to transfer and do that later on. It will take a long time to transfer all of mine, so I will go with only this one. Just Send and tap on Got it. Now on an Android, just no thanks and close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and then tap on Receive button to connect those devices, but we can also scan this QR code. If you wish to do that, click on the scanning icon on an Android, then select while using the app or only this time in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the QR code. Now you need to wait a bit, and after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!